Guess I don't need this. Huh, Mia? Did I ever tell you the story of the girl that creates troubling situations?
So, I don't know if you know this, but I'm a big bad guy, so how you doing?
Oh, what's up, boss? I want her dead. Now.
Alright, I got this, relax. She's not the smartest brain in the box.
Just do it! Alright? Alright? Are you done? Alright?
I feel just like I don't belong. You know how I feel when I'm barely strong. Sometimes I feel just like I'm incredible when I'm standing somewhere off on my own. And the love will find a way, 'cause I'll be here just like those yesterdays. I'm telling you now, oh, so please don't forget.
Well, it starts when the girl was trapped. Like any other living thing does when it's trapped, she fought to get free. And that stupid girl made a big, big mess. To make a story short, that bitch died.
Hit it.
It ain't no big thing to wait for the bell to ring. It ain't no big thing, the toll of the bell.